Hi everybody, got another video for you. So I've been hearing this chirping sound, like squeaking sound, in the rear end of my Pontiac G6. Sounds like a cricket basically. And so, let me see if I can show you so you can hear it if possible. When I kick my tire, kind of simulate that it's a bumpy road. We'll see if you can pick it up. Not sure if you were able to hear that, but it seems like I looked online and it seems like this is the culprit right here. Right here. This part right there. That's our emergency brake cable clip. And well, the cable and the clip are rubbing together. It just needs a little bit of grease, I've heard, and it should be fine. So I tried the other side. The other side, I sprayed some silicone and a little bit of grease in here, and it's not doing it anymore for now. So I think that's pretty much the culprit. This is the driver's side, so the passenger side was fixed, so to speak. But yep, that's it. Another little mystery. I thought I was gonna have to replace some part of the suspension, starting with the strut, I mean the shocks right here, but that wasn't it. So after a year of searching and trying to see what was this little squeaky sound, I found it. That's it right there. Okay, hopefully that helped someone. I guess that's it. All right, bye.